Graham, again, if you can try and stay within 5 minutes, that'd be amazing. So Graham is the Barrow Mill site director for Kimberly-Clark. Take it away, Graham.
Hi, can you all hear me? Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay. Right. So my role is at Kimberly-Clark is to look after the Barrow site. So we have about 320 people on site. We're a fast-moving consumer goods company and make the brands Andrex and Kleenex. So we make all facial tissue for the whole of the UK, out of Barrow site. So hopefully what I'm going to try to demonstrate here is that I'm not going to present lots of strategies because I can show you the corporate strategies and things. I'm going to show you the things that we do in our Barrow site itself, so and how we move things forward quickly. Because as you can imagine, we're a consumer goods facing company, so sustainability is a big part of our story as we try to promote our brand. So over the last 2 years, we've made a huge investment of £85 million, particularly on one project. It probably goes up to more £100 million in the last 2 years across site as we've changed our footprint, and that's really by putting a new converting line in, so an extra converting line, so high efficiency line but higher speed line. But more importantly, we replaced 2 old tissue machines with 1 new tissue machine, and tissue machines are 5 meters wide, about 100 meters long. This produces around 78 to 80,000 tons of tissue per year. So these are making toilet rolls which are 3 meters diameter and 5 meters wide. Imagine that, right? So this is and by having this new technology, we've managed to reduce our water usage by about 50% per ton, and our energy use by 30% per ton. So huge strides forward. So you can, and we're currently just got the machine that only started up in July, up to the end of the curve at 1800 meters a minute as of today. So it's a good day today. So end of curve, and it took us about 600 tons of machinery had to be removed and about 900 tons of new equipment coming in. So big project. As part of that project, we've had to work very, very closely with the Environment Agency, and they've wanted to use us as a company that they wanted to talk about and demonstrating groundbreaking resource efficiency, and called it "We're fit for the future" as a site. So they've tweeted about us and created a bit of a story about Kimberly-Clark. So got a very good relationship with the Environment Agency. And what I want to show here is our journey since 2015. Is an index of our CO2 emissions. So you can see as of last year, we're down to 61 of index from the 2015 starting point as we started to our journey to net zero. So we've reduced our emissions on site by 39%. But we don't want to stop there. So looking forward, we've created, we call a power purchase agreement. So this is quite groundbreaking. We Kimberly-Clark, but before I started at the mill, I was part of the strategy office down in Reigate, and we were trying to do this 3-4 years ago, and it really wasn't taking root in the UK, but it started in America. So this is what you do: is we signed up to a long-term agreement to say that we're going to take green energy for the next 15 years and at a certain level of kilowatts or megawatts, and then somebody then goes and builds you a wind farm. So Kimberly-Clark is now going to have its own wind farm, and that means that 80% of our electricity will be green from next year, which is a big step forward, and that will bring our CO2 emissions down significantly. Other projects that we've got in the pipeline is just to give you a flavour that we're not going to stand still, is as of today, we're commissioning our new waste heat steam generator on the new tissue machine. So that means the waste heat that we have from our hood systems will come back round, and we'll use that for generating steam, so therefore take our gas usage down from our boilers. We've got a waste heat recovery system in our old machine, which was put in the year 2000, and that needs upgrading the efficiency. So we've got a significant investment in that in April. In September, we'll be taking the hoods, which are huge gas burning hoods, and we'll try to optimize those with new technology. In September, and our sister mill down in the southeast has done that, and they've just taken 15% of gas usage out. We're hoping for 15% reduction there. And then as part of this year, we're replacing all our old compressors, which are some of them are nearly 50 years old. So we should get significant savings and CO2 reduction there as well. And likewise, our boiler plant is very old gas boilers. So we are looking to put high efficiency boiler in there and be working with BEIS, the Department of Trade and Industry, as it used to be, to look at how can we make that as dual fuel. And then to that point, we've been selected as part of Department of Business and Energy as one of the top 40 sites in the country that they want to invest in us, and they're going to fund an engineering partnership where they come and develop a roadmap for us to get to net zero. So we're quite excited about that, and hopefully be kicking it off in the next 6 months with the Department of Business. 15 seconds over, sorry.
Thank you so much, Graham.